Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in Epic. Achieving the highest level in any game can seem daunting, but with a clear strategy, it's entirely achievable. We'll cover key methods to maximize your experience gains and streamline your journey. By focusing on smart play and consistent effort, you can reach the pinnacle of your progression in just a few weeks of dedicated gameplay. Let's dive into the best ways to level up efficiently. To truly accelerate your leveling, focus on activities that offer the most experience. Main story quests are often the backbone of your progression, providing significant chunks of experience. Don't forget about group content, like dungeons or raids, which frequently offer bonus experience for teamwork. Repeatable quests, while smaller, add up over time, contributing to a steady climb towards the maximum level. Aim for at least 3 to 5 high-yield activities daily. Leveraging daily and weekly boosts is crucial for efficient leveling. Make it a habit to complete all your daily quests. These often provide a significant amount of experience for a relatively small time investment. Weekly challenges are even more impactful, offering substantial experience bonuses that can propel you forward. Keep an eye out for special in-game events or experience boost items, which can double or even triple your gains for a limited period. Consistent daily engagement is key. Finally, optimizing your playtime and resources will seal your path to max level. Before you log in, have a clear plan for what you want to accomplish to avoid wasted time. Strategically use any experience potions or buffs during your most productive periods. Joining a guild or community can also provide passive experience bonuses or access to helpful resources. Remember, every minute counts, so minimize idle time and keep those experience points flowing. You'll reach the top in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.